What is up, guys? Look at this weather. This is just awful. Oh my god. Okay, so basically what we were planning to do today is go race some drones against some cars and see how that basically goes, but I don't know. What do you think? What do you think?
It's not looking good.
It's not looking good, but you know what? I think we should give it a try. We'll probably, you know, grab some food first, keep up our energy, but I mean, hopefully this weather gets solved very, very quickly. Otherwise, I don't know what we're gonna do. But hey, yo, good morning, A-Team. How y'all doing today? Ashton here, Ashton Stark. And hopefully today we will be racing some drones against some exotic cars. So stay tuned for the end, for the beginning, for the middle, for everything, because this is gonna be an interesting vlog. I'll catch you guys at the food place. All right, guys, so we're a little short on time heading to the place that we wanna go to shoot the drone footage for the race. So we're just gonna grab a quick breakfast here at a good old Taco Bell. So I don't know, let's see what we're gonna get. What do you want?
A steak quesarito.
Really? For breakfast?
Yeah.
Dude, does Tim Hortons have any breakfast? Like breakfast stuff? Hello?
Hi. I'm sorry, my system is currently down right now.
What was that?
Our system is currently down right now.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
That means it's closed?
Oh, so I guess they're closed?
Huh.
It's a little confusing. I mean, I guess so. The other car left too. All right. Sorry, Taco Bell. You guys kind of let us down. Nope, no breakfast at Taco Bell, guys. All right, guys, so food places kind of let us down today. Thanks again, Ohio, for not having anything, but we're gonna go ahead and head to the place and see if we find any good food places along the way, since it's about a 20-minute drive away. So I guess we'll see. Just, I guess, enjoy the drive. See you guys there. All right, guys, so I think we found the place where we want to do this. We're gonna hop out of the car. Whoa. All right, so we got a nice, narrow road here. Doesn't seem to be too many cars, so I mean, I guess we'll see how it goes. Let's get the drone out the back so we can set this up. Oh boy! Oh, here we go. Got it in a nice backpack here. Oh man, so real quick, guys, we're trying to find a place to stop, and we tried this place first. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a dip there. So we actually ended up falling into the dip, and it was really hard to get out. But I think we're good now, so we're gonna try this out, set up the drone. Okay, guys, it is absolutely freezing here, but we got our drone set up, our beautiful Mavic Pro. So we're gonna get back in the car, set down the drone, take flight, and test the active tracking against how fast we go in the $62,000 car. So we'll see, let's go. Okay, guys, so we got the drone set up on this road. As you can see, it's hovering right over there for us. And we're basically gonna send it way up into the air now, wait for the cars to clear, and then we're gonna turn on action tracking, speed down this road a little bit, and see if it can keep up. So we don't have to worry about curves or anything because this is a fairly straight road, but it's the speed that's gonna matter. So I think the Mavic Pro has a max about 65, 55, something like that. I'll throw it up on the screen in case I was wrong, but we're gonna see how it does against this exotic Jaguar. So let's see how it goes. We set the active tracking onto the car and we put the speed priority on full, so it should be able to follow the car and keep up on its max speed. So we'll basically have this recording on this screen and display it up for you guys on the top. So let's check it out. While we're heading to the next location, about another 20-minute drive away, this is a great time to mention, if you are not a part of the A-Team, guys, what are you doing, guys? We do amazing, fun stuff every single day, and you definitely want to catch it. So just hit that subscribe button, just punch it in the face, youtube.com/AshTechIndustries, or just search Ashton Stark in the YouTube search. You'll get all the videos. Go check out some of them, check out some of the ones we've done in the past. And again, make sure you're subscribed, because we're doing stuff like this every single day, bro.
It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro.
Oh, what's up, guys? So we are at our second location, and we chose a nice little park because it's got a bunch of windy roads here, so we can actually see how well the tracking works. So we're gonna take it about 40-50 miles per hour. That should allow the drone to be able to keep up with us speed-wise, and we'll test it against the curvy road. So let's send this thing off, and we'll see how it does. We got our awesome cinematographer wiping off the lens out there. Good to go now. How's the lens looking?
It's looking good.
All right, so we should be able to send this thing off fairly well. So just let's take off. All right, there it goes. We're getting so many stare downs from people just passing by. It's ridiculous. Okay, so as you guys can see, we just hit 40-50 miles an hour right now, and it just lost tracking. So I guess that's about its max. We were going around a bend, so that might have been part of the issue. But as you can see from the video, it was pretty much with us most of the time, but it was a little bit too far back most of the time. So that seems to be its issue there. It's not able to keep up directly from speed-wise, but we're gonna send it back down, and then we're gonna get going. Okay, so as you guys can see, we are about out of drone battery on both our battery and our backup battery. So I guess that's gonna be it for now. We were hoping to take it to a racetrack and actually test it in circulars, but I guess we can't do that today, but we will definitely be doing that soon. So make sure you are subscribed, smack that subscribe button right in the face. Join the A-Team, guys. This is such a lit channel on YouTube, and we're doing crazy, awesome stuff every single day. So you definitely wanna be subscribed. If you want to, also go ahead over to Instagram and Twitter and follow me there. It's just gonna be /AshTechIndustry across all of those. And for YouTube, YouTube/AshTechIndustries. So make sure you're subscribed. I'm Ashton Stark. This is my vlog. This is what we are doing on a daily basis. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.